In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $200 every single day for free worldwide using free tools. These 3 tools that you can use and another 6 websites that can pay you money for that. So I'm going to walk you through entire step-by-step method. So watch the video until the end. All the tools are free, so 100% work worldwide. So anyone can do it without any prior knowledge, guys. Just jump into videos. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorial. I try to upload one video every day or every other day, so subscribe, like and share. You can see this is my PayPal account, over $200 get paid every single day. How you can do that? This website gonna give you the free tools. This website is called lowcaster.com that you can see here. This is the website, lowcaster.com. So when you type in the name on the Google, type lowcaster.com, not .co.uk or any other domain, because those free tools are not work with other domains, so only work with .com. So you can see this is a website going to give you all the free tools. All you have to do is don't worry about this website. Come down to bottom of the website and you can click the things called free business tools. If you clicked it, and it will take you to this page here, that you can see you can use this tool to generate your logos, slogan generator, name and logos, guys. So I can show you that. First one is this one is called create your personal logo from Lowcaster. The second one is called create free slogan for from Lowcaster, actually free slogan generator for a business, guys. The third one is called free company name generator. For example, if I go to the logo generator, I put my YouTube name and click create logo, and it will create a couple of logo for you guys. And what you have to do, you can select the tagline, abstract and color, and automatically give you different logos for that, depend on the niche you are in or the type of business or type of service your client gonna do. So you can select that. You can, if you select the abstract, you can select charity and click create, and it will create a logo similar to charity network that you can see here. After you generate the logos, what you have to do, click this one called preview and download, and it will take you to this page. Click this pen icon and you have to create a free account with it, where you can edit, change the colors, change the font or change the icon, something like that, and you can generate a logo for business and you can get paid that. I'm going to show you a couple of websites other than Fiverr are going to pay you money, so watch the video until the end. This is the first thing. The second one is called slogan generator. So this is my YouTube channels. I select business and finance and come up with slogan, and you can see there's a couple of slogans is generated for my business that you can see. Be free, like we know how to sell, something like that, or genius finance solution, or transparent, easy and profitable. I can go with that because I'm transparent and I go with all the free profitable knowledge, so I can select this one. Or it depends on the business. You can generate a couple of, these are not only 6. You can, if you click this one, more slogan, and if you give another 9 slogans, so you can see up to 90 slogans are there. So you can copy and paste these slogans to your customer if they like any one of them, and you get paid for that, guys. So this is the second one. The third one is called free company name generator. Also you have to come up with some name. So I'm gonna go with my YouTube channel again and click finance or business, or depend on the business category, and you can click generate, and you're going to generate a random name for your business, guys. So you can use this as a copy and paste method, copy and paste to the client. If they liked it, you get paid for that. Now these are the crucial part of the free tools that you can use to do these things, but I'm going to show you other 6 websites are going to get paid for that. The number 1 website is called logomyway.com that you can see here. Simply fill out the logo contest brief describing your business, and they have over 30,000 handpicked logo designers, so you have to join as a logos designer. So you can see here, these are the contests at the moment is running. So you can see you get paid around 250 or 300, sometimes 400 for designing logos for these companies, guys. So this website is called logo design contest, and you can see here. So all you have to do, if you go to the logomyway.com, click this one called designer, and you can create a free account with the designer as a designer, and you get paid off. You can see this is the person from Romania win over 296 contest prize. Imagine that you get paid around $200 per contest. You know how much money this guy made. So you can join this website and you can offer your service and you can get pay for that. This is the first website. Obviously the second website is called Fiverr. So you can see you can design a logo. This person designed a logo. You can see here 5-star review, over 1,000 5-star rating and over 1,000 reviews, and he's charging around $22 or $25 for logos. Now it's a basic price. There's a different set of price for different services inside. So you can see you can offer your service on Fiverr. Again, you can offer your service on Fiverr for generating business name and slogan. That you can see here, these are people are generating business name and slogans and they get paid for that. You can charge whatever the money that you want. You can go low as of $5 or you can go up to 200, 150 if you want, guys. So the second website is Fiverr. The third one is called sloganslinger.com. Here you can see here, this website, you can see people are come to start a contest. Basically the business owners come here, they want the slogan for the business, so they start a contest on this website. You participate and you generate a slogan for those business. If they approve your slogan, you get paid for that. And this website intermediate everything. You can see here, you have to create a free account with it. Here you can see why be a slogan slinger. Earn money for your creativity, make up to $1,000 per contest. That's it. The minimum is $100 and you can earn up to $1,000 per contest, not for a couple of them, per contest. So what you have to do with the sloganslinger.com, create a free account with it, participate in contest, and you provide your creativity for each business and you get paid for that. Other one is called here, freelancer.co.uk. It's very similar to Fiverr. You can see if you search for slogan here or logo or generating business name, you get paid around different amount. That you can see there's a different entries. You have to participate in each gigs that you can see. In average bid around 79, so you get already 36 bid for this gigs. That you can see this person had to generate a name, slogan and logos. You can do all three things with one single website. So different gigs are gonna pay you different amount of money for that. So it's very similar to Fiverr. You're gonna participate in this each gig, or you're gonna bid on each gig and you're gonna get paid if your design is get approved, guys. Number 5 is called Squad Help. You can see here Squad Help for all three one in combined together. You can see here some of your ideas, naming companies, slogans or logo contest. All you have to do is, again, there's a contest. It's not, unlike a Fiverr, you just list a gig and the customer come to you. Here the customer already made a contest on here. You had to participate. That means you have to give your lowest value for your creativity. Also you have to give a good looking name, logo and slogan, so the people approve and you get paid for that, guys. That you can see here, when you register free account with it, click this one called Meet Name Ideas. Here you can see select any niche, that for example consulting or beauty. So you here there's a different contest is going on for each category here. If you come down to the bottom and you participate and you get paid for that, guys. The final website, number 6, is called a namingforce, the business name contest. Basically what you have to do, you have to name a business and you get paid for that. You can see starting bid around $200. When you go to this website, his website is called namingforce.com. All the link will be provided in the description. Go to bottom of the website here, click this one called a business name contest. Here it will take the second page. You can see there's a different amount of money you get paid for different type of naming companies, right? Then you can see this is the recent winners get paid for naming is mobile app, guys. All you have to do here, but you have to click this one called sign in, and here you have to create account as a client namer, not a client namer. Then you can participate and you can make money from it. So if you go to the pricing section on namingforce, that you can see if the client go for this one, this budget $200, 100 is automatically going for the winners who's coming with the name. right? So if they're going for a larger package, you get paid in larger amount for that, because half of the money is going for the naming force for registering their domain and everything, but you get your share for coming up with a company name for that client, guys. So straight away it's simple and easy. There's are only 6 websites covered in this video, but there's a couple of other websites that you can go and join, and all you have to do is you spend 10 to 20 minutes of your time and go to this website. Using these free tools, you can generate logos, company name, and slogans for that business. Just participating, you can't 100% sure that you're going to win each competition. What you do, you participate, and when you start to win competition, you can earn ranking or badges in each website that will push your name, your profile into top category, guys. So you have a more chance to earn lots more money. I hope you understand this video. If you really like this video, subscribe, like, and share. And with that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.